I'd like to thank my family, who was a big support from my husband's side as well as my side, my mom's relations, who are in the same board. Special thanks goes to my uncle, my mom's brother, who worked really hard for me, Srinama. And thank God.
About this victory is a very difficult one, being a famous politician's daughter.
I don't take it as a politician's daughter. I take it as a daughter of Nawanguli. I won from that lot because I'm the daughter of Nawanguli.
About your victory.
Yeah, this victory goes out to the people of Nawanguli, and I assure them from today the work starts. Thank you.
Would you be claiming for the Sarpanch's post?
See, I have contested this election to be a part of the Panchayat, so I don't want to comment on the Sarpanch. I just want to work for the people. Thank you.